What? Okay. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being rotten? Yeah, don't you do it. What are you doing? Willa Grace? What are you... No. What are you doing? Willa Grace? What are you doing? What are you doing? You better be careful, you're gonna fall. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Are you supposed to be up there? Willa Grace? Willa Grace, what's a doggy say? What's a kitty cat say? What's a kitty cat say? Oh, are you a puppy dog now? Well, puppy dogs don't belong on the furniture. Come on. Come on, puppy dog. Puppy dogs have to get off the furniture. Thank you. Gotta stay off the furniture. It's for the dust so we can clean. Yeah. Where's Truman? Where's Truman? I don't know. Have you seen Truman? Wyatt, where's Truman? Where? Show Mommy. Where's Truman? Oh, is Truman in the house? Is he in that tent? Silly old Truman. Okay, let's let Truman sleep. Come on. Can you all pick up the mess you made? Willa Grace, can you pick up the newspaper? Can you pick it up off the floor? Put it back on the table? Yeah, can you put it on the table? Oh, why don't we put it over here? On this table. Let's put it on the coffee table. There's more room there. Okay? Good job. Wyatt, can you help clean up? Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Good job, sis. Are you cleaning, Betty? Hey, White Grayson, who's on your shirt? Who is that? Who is that? Is it Cookie Monster? Is that Cookie Monster? What's Cookie Monster say? Does he say cookie, cookie, cookie? Okay, can we put the dustpan down, please? Are you cleaning? Are you cleaning? Good job. Where's that go? So go in the trash? You're doing a good job, sister. Keep cleaning. Good job. Did you find another piece? Did you find another piece? Is it almost nap time? Willa Grace? Look at Mama. Is it almost nap time? No? It's not time to go sleepy time? Are you sure? Wyatt, is it nap time yet? More newspaper. Good job. You're doing a good job. You're such a big helper. Wyatt, where's your choo-choo train? Where's your choo-choo? Where's he go? Does he go on the track? You read the magazine before you put it over here? What'd you see?
Elmo.
Elmo? Is that Elmo's birthday?
Hi. Elmo.
Hmm? Can you put it on the table? Put it on the table. Why? What's the choo-choo say? What's it say? Choo-choo. Can you put Sissy's shoes in the basket? Oh, Sissy's shoe. Put it in the basket. Shoe, shoe, shoe. Oh, is the choo-choo going to go on the shoe? Is that a hill for the choo-choo? You're doing very good, sister. Hi, buddy. Hey. What are you doing? Choo-choo. All right. Can you guys say bye-bye? Will Grace? Say bye-bye. Hey. Mwah. Mwah.